This is Darius from thereadability.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly format your table in Google Sheets. Here, I have a table using Google's built-in Create a Table feature. And if you would like to know how to do that, you can click on the link above or the link in your description. Google recently added ways for you to quickly change the formatting of this table, and this is what you do. Click on this arrow next to the name of your table, and here you will be able to select several things to format within the table. You can select show table grid lines. So originally the table does not come with grid lines. So if you like to have grid lines in your table, you can select that. You can also select or deselect having alternating colors. So by default, it comes with alternating colors, but if you do not like that, you can get rid of those alternating colors. You can also show a condensed view, which means it's going to make your cells smaller, because by default, your cells are going to be a little bigger than the text that is there. And you can also show a table footer. So if you have any numbers in your columns, for example, in column F, I have a list of donations, it will actually tally them up and it will give you a formatted last row where it will add everything up in the columns that have numbers and also make it a different shade of the color that you picked above. You can also edit multiple things at the same time by clicking table formatting and then selecting view advanced options. And here you can do all those same things without having to go back and clicking on the arrow and so forth. You can change the color of your table. You can change how the rows are colored, etc. So this video shows you how to quickly change the formatting of your tables in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at thereadability.com.